A tree house for all. Whee! Hoppie Rabbit comes whooshing down the enchanted slide, landing softly in some tall grass. Next comes Lita Lamb, with Jimmy Bear tumbling after. Where are they? Hoppie jumps up and sees they're in a woodland glade, right in the middle of a forest filled with all sorts of trees, different shapes, different sizes, and every shade of gorgeous green. Bushes with soft leaves rustle in the breeze. Here, in this sunlit glade, the grass is full of bright and colourful flowers swaying so merrily in the gentle wind. This place is called the Merry Meadow. But Hoppie has seen something else. "Look, look!" she shouts. At the far end of the meadow, right by the path leading into the forest, high up in the branches of a gnarly old oak tree, is a tree house. With its bright blue door and balcony, it looks a great place to play, and the three friends excitedly run to get a better look. Standing at the foot of the tree, Lita, Jimmy, and Hoppie peer up into the branches. The treehouse looks a bit wonky and twisted, but it's strong and sturdy, and they can't wait to go up and explore. But the branches are too high to climb. "How are we supposed to get up there?" Hoppie jumps up and down with impatience. "There should be a ladder, a rope ladder," Lita says. She looks up into the branches again to see if she can see one. Then Jimmy notices something moving on the treehouse balcony. "There's someone there," he says in his growly voice, and points with his paw. Hoppie and Lita look up and see a black pointy nose and two beady eyes looking down at them over the balcony railing. Then Lita sees two red-brown pointy ears. "It's a fox!" she exclaims.